In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Miro. This is a quick, reliable technique that works great whether you're brainstorming, building a mood board, or just adding visual context to your ideas. Start by opening the Miro board where you want the image to appear. It can be a brand new canvas or an existing project. It just needs to be open and ready on your screen. Make sure you have edit access to that board. If it's view only, you won't be able to add content. The simplest way to bring an image into Miro is drag and drop. To get set up, open the folder on your computer that contains your image. This could be a Finder window on a Mac or File Explorer on Windows. For a smoother experience, arrange your windows so you can see both the folder and your Miro board at the same time. That way you won't lose track of where you're dropping the file. Now click and hold the image file in your folder. Without releasing the mouse button, drag the file over to your Miro board. As you move your cursor across the board, aim for the main canvas area, not the side toolbar or the browser's address bar. In most cases, you'll see a small visual hint that Miro is ready to accept the file, like a plus icon or a highlighted drop zone. Keep holding the mouse until you're positioned where you want the image to land. When you're ready, release the mouse button to place the image. Miro will upload it and drop it directly onto the canvas at the location where you let go. That's it, the image is now part of your board. If it's a large file, give it a moment to render. Common formats like JPG and PNG typically work best, and high-resolution images may take a bit longer depending on your internet connection. A few quick tips to make this go smoothly. If you're trying to drag an image from cloud storage or an email preview, download it to your computer first so you're dragging a real file, not a web link. If nothing happens when you drop, double-check that your board is editable and that you're releasing the file over the canvas. And if the image appears but looks small or large, don't worry. Miro will place it at a default size, and you can refine its presentation later as you continue working on your board. And that's all there is to it. Open your board, drag the file from your folder, and release to place it. It's fast, intuitive, and keeps your creative flow going.